Kisses, alam mo ba yan?
Tinai.
Wala ko chocolate mo.
Hindi, ano yan? Betamax yan.
Betamax, oo. Mamaya na namin sasabihin kung ano yung Betamax. At ito ay...
Hindi, wala.
Wala ka! Adidas ba to? 1 day old.
Bakit po Adidas?
1 day old daw siya.
1 day old?
1 day old blank.
Pero chicken po siya, chicken. 1 day old po, so may buhay?
One day,
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so...
Yan ba yung parang balot na isang araw?
Okay.
One day.
Pili ka, Edward, kung alin dyan ang gusto mong i-try.
May?
Face off kayo, face off. Okay, may dito. Face off kayo. Paki-close up, please, direct.
Okay. May?
Itay! Ay, teka.
Okay, pakita natin. The face is the same.
Okay, pero Edward, alin dyan ang uunahin mo?
Betamax or yung one day?
Chicken lang.
It's a small chicken lang daw.
Chocolate.
That doesn't look like chocolate. That's not chocolate.
Dinuguan? Dinuguan? The dish? Oh, lasang dinuguan.
Okay,
Dahil parang...
before we explain,
Dinuguan, May? Dinuguan.
I know what Betamax is.
Diba masarap?
I think I
Yan,
know.
parang dinuguan din.
Na parang pero dry po siya.
Yes!
You want to try too?
O sinong gusto makidamay kay Edward para makain niya?
Oh wait, you guys choose for me. Which one do I eat?
It's chocolate.
May nagpipilita ni Kiss chocolate daw.
Patry daw natin. Ikaw na magpatry kay Edward.
Kaso tumakas. Hindi, okay yan.
Better.
Brownies.
Hindi ka naman binigyan ni Kuya ng makakasama sa'yo.
You just
Okay. And then?
No problem. There's more.
yo springy.
And
Only
then?
one. Okay.
Okay. Tinodong suka. Uy, maanghang yan. Maanghang to May sili.
Hindi naman.
If I can survive maanghang with Liza, then I can.
Okay, para kay Liza. Okay.
Liza, tribute.
Tribute.
Hello.
Okay.
It's like liver.
Yes.
Like liver.
Diba parang dinuguan kasi.
It's...
Dugo. Dinudugo? Yes.
It's
Dinuguan
not
na
good.
ginawang
It's
square.
actually pretty.
Diba hindi naman masama?
It's alright. It tastes like barbecue.
Si Maymay yata. Gusto yata.
Si Mama yata gusto yung 1 day old.
One day?
Na-try mo na yung 1 day old?
Ano ka ba?
Kayo ni Kisses! Tig-isang kahit maliit na piraso ng 1 day old.
Ba't parang may chan siya?
Oo.
Hala, parang totoong manok.
Parang totoong manok.
Oh, Kisses and kahit isang maliit na piraso lang Kisses. Sabay kayo ni Maymay. 1,
One shot.
3.
kahit huwag mong buuin.
1, 2, 3, go!
3.
Uy!
Ano to?
1 day old.
Ang chicken po siya.
Yes!
Baby. No? Pero 1 day.
Sarap. Feeling ko, itong hawak mo, gustong i-try ni Edward. Pwede ba ibigay kay Edward?
This one, it's just the bone. You left nothing left.
That's my bone. Masarap naman.
Your face says it all.
Guys,
Pero palakpakan natin sila dahil game sila na kayo. At syempre, meron pa tayong isang ipapapanood.